So I've wanted to make this recipe for a while now, and I finally got the time to make this video. For today's video, we're going to do a classic Roman pasta, Cacio E Pepe. Cacio E Pepe comes from the region of Rome in Italy and literally translates to cheese and pepper. It's made with peppercorns and Pecorino Romano, which is a beautiful, creamy sheep's milk cheese. This pasta is super easy to make, so let's get started. The main ingredient to this recipe is the black peppercorns. Now we're going to toast these peppercorns, and this in turn will release a nice aroma and get all the oils in the peppercorns activated. Once you have your peppercorn nicely toasted, we're going to gently crush them. Now, I would advise you not to use pepper powder because that doesn't really add anything to this recipe. The next main ingredient in this recipe is the cheese. This is a Pecorino Romano cheese, which is a sheep's milk cheese. If you really can't find this, then go ahead and use Parmesan, but this has a very distinct flavor. So we're just going to grate our Pecorino Romano. And the last star ingredient of this recipe is the pasta. I'm using a bucatini pasta, but you could also use spaghetti. Into a boiling pot, cook the pasta for 2 minutes, less than what your packet or your box instructs you to do. Save the pasta water because this is very, very important in making our sauce. Now add a ladle and a half of pasta water to your cheese, and this will form a nice creamy base for your sauce. Give it a nice mix. Now in a pan, add your crushed black peppercorns and then your reserved pasta water. This pasta water is very important because it's very starchy, full of the starch from cooking all the pasta, and this will form a nice creamy sauce. To that, I'm going to add a ladle of my Pecorino paste, what I made earlier, and I'm going to just nicely give it a vigorous mix. And when it's all mixed well, we're going to add in the bucatini pasta or any pasta that you've chosen. Mix the pasta with the sauce, and then you're going to add in your Pecorino paste little by little at a time, almost like a risotto. Once your sauce has nicely thickened, glaze your pasta with that beautiful creamy sauce. It's almost like there is cream in the sauce. It's that creamy. So your pasta, once it's nicely glazed, it's ready to go. And we're gonna get ready to plate this beautiful creamy Cacio E Pepe pasta. So into a bowl with my pasta. Serve it in a bowl, in a plate. Either way, serve it when it's hot, because this pasta is best eaten when it's just made and when it's nice and hot. Scrape some of the sauce from that pan and just drizzle it over your pasta. And there you have it, a beautiful, creamy Cacio E Pepe. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this simple recipe. Thank you for all your love and support. Until next time, this is me signing off. Bon appetit.